So for sprint 2, we had two main goals. The first was to come up with design ideas for a game in the physical world. So what kind of games are fun? What kind of games would users like to play? So what we did was we led a brainstorm with the class and created a forum to kind of get different ideas on what game people play. And one thing, one way we thought about it is what kind of objects have different kinds of affordances, and based on those affordances, how can we create games? So we brainstormed a list of all the different places and objects on Noise Street, and how can we turn those into different affordances that could then be turned into games. And so then from that, we strung together a list of different actions and created a game with an overarching spy theme. But in order to be able to user test that, we needed to have the technology to be able to do quick prototyping of these different games that we're coming up with. So what we did is we took all of our games and put them into a parse database. So we had the audio of the game, and we had also the location that it should be triggered at. And we then create an app that takes the user's location. The user's location gets near enough to one of our specified locations, the audio will start to play. And this allows us to really quickly we can record any audio we want and tie it to any location we want, and this app will allow us to test that out. So we did a lot of usability testing this sprint with the app, making sure that the audio triggered at the correct location, the audio didn't trigger twice, and the audio triggered at the appropriate distance ahead of when the action needed to be completed. So now going into our next sprint, our goal is to be able to use this prototype to actually test the different games we designed and be able to learn what games are fun, what games do users want to play, and what motivates users to want to play those games.